The job of a software engineer and programmers are being rewritten in real time by AI. And the next massive leap in this evolution has just arrived. It's called GPT-5 Codex, the new OpenAI next-generation autonomous coding partner. So what exactly is this new model? GPT-5 Codex is OpenAI's most powerful coding model to date. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what that means. We'll cover its incredible new capabilities, look at the hard numbers to see how it benchmarks against GPT-5, and explore the entire Codex ecosystem it operates in, from your command line to your IDE. So, what does it mean to have an AI teammate? Let's get into the specifics, because this isn't just about generating a few lines of code or completing a function for you. GPT-5 Codex has been trained from the ground up on complex real-world engineering tasks. We're talking about building entire projects from scratch, adding new features and writing the tests for them, debugging massive tangled code bases, and performing large-scale refactors across entire repositories. The key word here is autonomous. Imagine giving it a task like migrating a huge legacy codebase from Python 2 to Python 3. In the past, that would be a monumental effort for a human team. GPT-5 Codex can autonomously dissect the code, identify all the compatibility problems, rewrite the necessary parts, and run tests to make sure everything still works, all with minimal oversight. And it does this with incredible persistence. One of the most mind-blowing features is its ability to work continuously on a single task for over 7 hours straight. For a massive job, it can work independently, iterating, testing its own code, fixing the errors it finds, and ultimately delivering a working result. It's a tireless digital engineer that doesn't need coffee breaks. This is the core difference. It shifts the paradigm from using AI as a simple tool to collaborating with it as a persistent, problem-solving partner on your team. Okay, so acting as an AI teammate sounds great, but how much better is it really? Let's look at the numbers, because this is where the story gets truly compelling. On the SWE Bench benchmark, which is a tough test using 500 real-world software bugs from open-source projects, GPT-5 Codex achieved 74.5% accuracy in fixing them. That's a noticeable improvement over the base GPT-5's 72.8%. But the real jaw-dropper is in refactoring. In tests designed to handle messy jobs in large, mature codebases, GPT-5 Codex scored 51.3% accuracy. The base GPT-5? Just 33.9%. That is a massive leap, showing its specialized training really paid off. This intelligence extends to code reviews. GPT-5 Codex slashed the percentage of incorrect comments it makes, down to just 4.4%, a huge improvement from GPT-5's 13.7%. And more importantly, the share of high-impact, genuinely useful comments it provides jumped from 39% to over 52%. Perhaps the cleverest part is how it adapts its thinking time. For super simple tasks, it's incredibly efficient, using almost 94% fewer tokens than GPT-5. But for the top 10% of the hardest problems, it spends twice as long reasoning, editing, and testing to ensure it gets the right answer. It's not just more powerful, it's smarter about how it uses that power. But all that power we just talked about is only useful if you can actually apply it to your daily work. And that's where the full Codex ecosystem comes into play. It's crucial to understand that GPT-5 Codex isn't just a model you chat with. It's the engine inside a larger, deeply integrated system designed for developers. This ecosystem has been seriously upgraded. The command line interface, or CLI, has been rebuilt around those agentic workflows, even letting you share screenshots or wireframes to give it context without typing a novel. Then there are the IDE extensions for tools like VS Code and Cursor, which bring Codex directly into your coding environment for co-editing and previews. One of the best parts is the seamless workflow. You can start a task on your local machine, and then let it continue running in the cloud without ever breaking the flow or losing context. And those cloud environments are now dramatically faster, with average task completion times cut by 90%. It's a unified experience, designed to make this powerful AI a natural part of your development process. So, what are the big implications here? It's a shift from seeing AI as just a tool to viewing it as a true collaborative partner on your team. But with that kind of power, safety is non-negotiable. That's why GPT-5 Codex runs in a sandboxed environment by default, preventing harmful actions by disabling network access unless you explicitly grant it. OpenAI is very clear on this point. Codex should be treated as an additional, tireless reviewer, a teammate to catch problems, not as a replacement for human engineers. It's here to augment your skills, not make you obsolete. So there you have it. GPT-5 Codex is a seriously powerful agentic AI for coding, backed by impressive benchmarks and a fully integrated ecosystem. What are your thoughts? Is this a game changer for software development? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.